I absolutely love the Poolpure spa filters. They do an excellent job, and one of these filters can last you an entire year. As long as you clean it on a semi-regular basis, you can clean it by spraying it out with a hose and just pulling it out for a quick clean, or use a filter cleaner once every few months to really give it a good clean, and it will last a year. Now, I love that it is certified, as my family is in the spa all the time, and I want to make sure that whatever I'm doing is safe for my family and make sure that this water is as filtered as possible. Here's how it looks out of the box, and it has really thick lining here. It's gonna be hard for anything to get through that. Feels really good in my hand. That is a sturdy filter. Now let me install it. For safety, I completely turned off the hot tub. I just pull all of the filter covers out, and then I can just pull the old filter out and stick the new filter in. And of course, everything wants to float, so I have to get all the pieces back. Easy as that. The new filter's in. I'll just turn the hot tub back on. And now the new filter's in, and so now I know this water is going to be kept even cleaner and well cared for my family. Definitely be sure you change out your filter at least once a year and clean it on a semi-regular basis, as cleaning your filter will dramatically reduce how much more treatment you have to do to your tub to keep it in balance for yourself, for your family, for your friends. The Poolpure filters are fantastic.